How to use the alignment panel in Photopea.com. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for each app, and let's get started. So the alignment panel in Photopea.com, as you can see, is up there. It's used to align the shapes, just like what we do in text editing. We can align it to the center, to the left, to the right. You can align vertically or horizontally. So first of all, let's go practical and start selecting the layers that we want to align. Select the main background layer, then click on Shift and select all other layers, and then align it to the center, left, right. And now let's use the equal gaps button. It will make equal gaps between all the layers, as you can see. Now we are using edge alignment, top, center, and bottom edge. This is the edge alignment, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.